Have you ever wondered what makes your favorite desserts so delightfully smooth and bouncy? Gelatin is the magic ingredient behind these treats, but its production process remains a mystery to many. How is this versatile substance created on a massive industrial scale? In this video, we will uncover the fascinating and often overlooked journey of gelatin manufacturing. Gelatin is a smooth and sweet ingredient, derived from collagen, which is obtained from animal bones and skins. Its pleasant taste enhances the flavor of desserts. The origins of gelatin trace back to 1845 when American inventor Peter Cooper developed it. His creation addressed the challenge of food preservation in a time before refrigeration, enabling the production of items with extended shelf lives that helped maintain perishable ingredients for longer periods. This breakthrough proved especially useful during both World War I and World War II, as it provided soldiers with a protein-rich, easily transportable, and storable food source included in military rations to sustain the troops. Over the years, gelatin has also become an essential component in the pharmaceutical industry, being widely used in the production of capsules that help preserve and facilitate the consumption of medications. Additionally, it has played a significant role in the culinary world, allowing the development of desserts and food products with unique textures, increasing ingredient versatility, and offering simple preparation options. Gelatin is a protein-based substance extracted from animal collagen, primarily sourced from the skin and bones of pigs and cattle. It is a colorless material that dissolves in hot water, forming a flexible, semi-solid texture as it cools. This characteristic makes it indispensable in the food industry, where it is utilized in desserts, candies, and processed meat products. Its stabilizing and gelling properties make it a crucial ingredient in the formulation of various food products and dietary supplements. Let's have a look at how exactly gelatin is manufactured in an industrial setting. The development begins in meat processing facilities, where raw materials rich in collagen are carefully chosen. These materials mainly originate from pigs and cows, whose bones, skins, and connective tissues contain high amounts of collagen. When animals are processed for meat, the parts designated for human consumption are separated, while the collagen-dense components, such as bones and skins, are collected for further refinement. These raw materials are then transported in refrigerated vehicles to specialized gelatin production plants, where strict temperature regulations are maintained to prevent spoilage and ensure the highest quality. Every day, the factory receives approximately 5 tons of these raw materials, including skins and bones. Upon arrival, these components undergo an intensive cleaning procedure to remove any residual fats, impurities, and meat remnants. This cleaning step is vital because the purity of the extracted collagen directly affects the final texture, appearance, and flavor of the gelatin. To achieve thorough purification, advanced washing systems using water and specialized solutions are used to dissolve unwanted substances without compromising the collagen structure. This particular gelatin manufacturing facility ranks among the largest in the world. The plant is capable of producing over 10,000 bags of powdered gelatin daily, which are then distributed to retailers. The production facility is equipped with massive stainless steel containers linked through a complex system of pipes and ducts. The entire environment is sterile, preventing contamination, while enabling precise control over critical factors such as temperature, acidity levels, and concentration, ensuring the highest efficiency and quality in production. Following this sanitation process, the raw materials undergo size reduction to optimize the extraction phase. Bones, which are naturally dense and tough, are processed using high-powered industrial crushers that break them down into uniformly sized fragments, measuring approximately 2 centimeters. This breakdown allows chemical and heat-based treatments to penetrate more effectively, maximizing collagen extraction. Simultaneously, the skins are sliced into fine strips using precision cutting tools. This increases their surface area, allowing chemical agents to evenly permeate each fiber and expedite the collagen release. Once reduced to the appropriate size, the bones and skins are submerged in large tanks filled with hot water, maintained at a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. This heating process serves a dual purpose. It helps dissolve collagen fibers while breaking molecular bonds, allowing proteins to be released into a liquid solution. Precise temperature control is crucial, as excessive heat could degrade the collagen, while insufficient heat would slow down the extraction process. To enhance solubility, an acidifying agent, typically vinegar, is introduced. This step is fundamental because acids alter collagen structure, making it easier to extract and process. The extraction continues with a controlled cooking stage, where animal tissues are exposed to carefully monitored temperatures to dissolve as much collagen as possible. This process, which can last several hours, gradually disintegrates the fibers, releasing proteins without causing degradation. Both the temperature and duration of cooking must remain within specific limits. Excess heat could negatively impact collagen quality, while inadequate cooking would reduce extraction efficiency. As the collagen dissolves, a thick and viscous liquid forms, similar to a concentrated broth. At this stage, it still contains various suspended proteins and organic compounds. However, the solution appears cloudy due to the presence of undissolved particles. To refine it further, a purification process begins to remove any remaining impurities. Purification is achieved through an extensive filtration process designed to enhance gelatin clarity. In the factory, this stage involves the use of advanced ceramic microfilters with exceptionally fine pores. Under high pressure, the solution is forced through these microfilters, which effectively remove even the smallest impurities, resulting in a crystal-clear liquid. The outcome is a homogeneous collagen solution, which forms the foundational liquid for gelatin production. In total, the filtration process spans approximately 3,000 meters of interconnected piping. Despite undergoing extensive filtration, some residual salts and excess water remain in the solution. To remove these, the liquid is passed through massive vessels filled with tiny synthetic resin beads that attract and retain the salts. Next, the collagen solution is transferred through stainless steel pipelines and subjected to an evaporation process inside large tanks, which gradually transforms it into a thick, honey-like concentrate. This phase, known as concentration, significantly reduces the solution's volume. For every 2 liters of collagen solution, only around 200 milliliters of concentrated gelatin remain. To ensure microbiological safety and stability, the gelatin undergoes a brief heating process to eliminate any remaining microorganisms. The next stage involves gradually cooling the concentrated solution. As the temperature drops, the collagen takes on a semi-solid, elastic form. The thickened gelatin is then pushed through a perforated disc, producing long gelatin strands. These strands fall onto a conveyor system, where they undergo drying. Sterile, heated air removes any lingering moisture, ensuring a completely dry final product. Once fully dried, the gelatin strands are milled into a fine powder. Following this, the powdered gelatin is blended with additional ingredients to enhance its flavor, appearance, and consistency. The first additive is sugar, which provides the necessary sweetness. To further refine the flavor and maintain product stability, acidity regulators such as citric acid are incorporated. Flavoring agents are then introduced, allowing for a variety of tastes, including strawberry, lemon, and orange. In addition, colorants, either natural such as beet extract or turmeric, or synthetic, are mixed in. Finally, stabilizers and anti-caking agents are included to prevent the powder from clumping, ensuring easy handling and extended shelf life. The finished gelatin powder is then packed into large storage bags, each with a capacity of up to 1,000 kilograms. If you want to know how wine is made, watch the video on your screen, and please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.